Hi, I'm Dan Roloff, and welcome to my YouTube show, Dan Roloff. And today I'm talking about 6 high yielding bank stocks, dividend stocks that are over 5% on the dividend. So we're going to be talking about US bank stocks with a high yielding dividend of 5% or more. So today, before I get started in that, I just want to say that I have been investing in a lot of stocks. I have 39 bank stocks in the US, and I started investing after the stock market went down this year, um, 2020. And since I've invested in those 39 stocks, every single one has gone up on the share price. So I have 100% on 39 bank stocks that the share price has gone up since I bought it. Plus, I'm getting the dividends. And every one of these stocks has dividends of some kind. The ones today have high dividends. And I really think that this this go with bank stocks. It's almost like you can't lose. I mean, don't put your money in the bank, just buy their stock. Seems a lot better. So I it's incredible. So just really take a look at these stocks. Okay, so number one is BCB Community Bank, and their symbol is BCBP, and they're out of New Jersey, and their share price right now is $10.75. 10.75, and it is uh, after Thanksgiving, and it's November 28th that I am doing this, 2020. So that's what the share price was this Friday this week. So I am up 11% on this one. And their dividend is 5.16%. 5.16%, so over 5%. And I'm starting with the lowest dividend ones that I'm going to talk about today. So this is the lowest dividend, but good stock. Okay, number two is F period, N period, B period. Don't know why. Their symbol is F and B, and they're out of Pennsylvania bank, and their share price as of this is $9.21. And I am up 26% on this one. Their shares have gone up 26%. And their dividend is the same as the last one, 5.16%. So over 5% dividend. And oh, by the way, I have received dividends, at least 2 dividends on every one of these banks. So they're fairly consistent about paying. Uh, and if you've watched my last videos on Europe, most of them I haven't even received a dividend on. So I don't know what the deal is with banks in Europe, but most of them don't pay very often. So on the dividend. Okay, number three is Heritage Commerce Corp, and their symbol is HTBK, and they're in California, and their share price right now is $8.90. And I am up 26% on this one. So this one's good also, same as the last one, really. Their dividend is 5.633%. So 563% on this one. Good dividend stock. Okay, number 4 is First Choice Bank Corp. And their symbol is FCBP, and a California company again. And their share price is $17.25. So the highest share price on this list was this one. There I'm up 21% on this one. 21%. And their dividend is 5.78%. 5.878% on this one. And number 5 is Northwest Bankshares. And their symbol is NWBI. And they're out of Pennsylvania. And their share price right now is $12.14. And I am up 20% on this one. So still real good. And their dividend is, we're now into the 6% range. 6.06. So just a little bit over 6%. Wow, great dividend. And I have seen appreciation on this stock. Okay, number 6, the last one. United Security Bank. This is a very secure bank, I guess. And their symbol is UBFO. And they're out of California. And their share price is $7.08. So the lowest share price of any of these stocks right now. I am up 18% on this one. And they have the biggest dividend. And their dividend is 6.15%. So over 6% on this dividend. So take a look at these stocks. They're, even though I've had incredible success with all these bank stocks in the U.S., stocks can always go up and they can go down. So beware. I think they're a pretty good risk. So take a look at them. If you liked what you see, give me a thumbs up. And if you like this, I'm doing a video on personal finance and investment every week. So subscribe, comment with me on any stocks that you have or any of these, any thing that you want to say about these stocks. I'd love to hear about it. And as always, blessings on your stock picking. And I hope you prosper in all of it. So until then, see ya.